I'm Science teacher and Winnie the Bear. Today, I'm going to read the story The Snow Queen. The story is about the Snow Queen and two best friends, Kai and Gerda. Once upon a time, far, far away in a shimmering ice castle, there lived a beautiful and pure Snow Queen. But she had no friends. Everyone thought she was too cold and unfriendly.
I wish I had someone to love and share my snow with,
she sighed. The Snow Queen's castle was filled with quiet miracles. One of them was a tall silver frame mirror that showed everything happening in the world. One day, as the Snow Queen gazed into it, she saw a warm land where two best friends lived. Their names were Kai and Gerda. Gerda and Kai did everything together, planting roses, watching clouds, and sharing giggles. They were always by each other's side. One snowy evening, the grandmother told them the tale of the lonely Snow Queen. Poor Snow Queen, Gerda said, I'd like to be your friend. The Snow Queen heard Gerda's kind words through her mirror. Her heart, though made of ice, fluttered.
She wants to be my friend.
The Snow Queen whispered. She decided to bring Gerda to her castle. The very next day, the Snow Queen flew down in her sleigh. The Snow Queen found Gerda walking alone through the frosty dawn.
Dear child, are you alone?
The Snow Queen asked gently. Gerda nodded. The Snow Queen waved her hand and poof, a beautiful ball of ice flakes appeared. Gerda's eyes lit up as she tasted them. But the ice flakes carried the trace of the Queen's lonely magic and landed onto Gerda. Slowly, tiny shards of icy magic settled in Gerda's heart and eyes.
Come with me to my palace of snow,
said the Queen. Gerda silently followed, her warmth fading with each step. Kai saw her leaving and ran after her.
Gerda, come back,
he cried, but she didn't turn around and disappear into the snowy sky. Days passed. As Kai missed Gerda dearly, he set off toward the icy north to bring her back. He journeyed through the forest, frozen rivers, and strong winds. Along the way, one reindeer carried him across the snow.
The girl you're looking for is with the Snow Queen,
he said. At last, Kai reached the ice castle. Inside, Kai found Gerda beating quietly 2 walls of snow.
Gerda, do you remember me?
Kai asked gently, but Gerda didn't recognize Kai. Kai slowly wrapped his arms around her and wept. His warm tears fell near her eyes. Suddenly, Gerda blinked. The ice shards in her heart and eyes melted away. Kai, she whispered, you came for me?
Always. Let's go back home.
Kai smiled. When the Snow Queen came down from her tower, Gerda reached out her hand. Would you like to come with us? Gerda asked. You don't have to be alone anymore. The Snow Queen hesitated and smiled.
Yes,
she said. Together, the 3 of them walked toward the sunlight. Although the Snow Queen still carried winter in her heart, it was no longer cold, just beautiful, because now she had friends to share it with. Alright, this is the end of the story. Was it fun? That's it for today. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!